First things first, the exterior. The design and styling of the Lamando is one that looks familiar while also offering something different. The strong character lines that hug the body of the compact sedan, as well as the black sunroof, give off a powerful stance. The car powers through the roads with 17-inch alloy wheels. Let's check out the interior of the Lamando. Inside, the Lamando offers generous legroom, headroom, and cabin space. Both drivers and rear seats are comfortable thanks to the leather material. Speaking of seats, the driver's seat comes in electric 8-way adjustable, while the front passenger seat comes in 4-way manual. For added comfort convenience, the Lamando is equipped with a 2-zone Climatronic air conditioning, power steering, power door locks, and power windows. When it comes to the infotainment system, the Lamando comes with the active info display, which features a 9.2-inch infotainment audio system with 8 speakers, available in CD, MP3, aux, Bluetooth, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto connectivity. It's time to check out what's under the hood of the Lamando. Powering the Lamando is a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder inline turbo fuel-injected gasoline engine with Blue Motion technology. On top of that, the turbocharged stratified injection, or TSI, mated with the 7-speed direct shift gear transmission, combines the convenience of an automatic and the fuel efficiency of a manual. It gives out 150 horsepower and maximum torque of 250 Newton meters. When it comes to safety and security, the Lamando is equipped with a roster of features that ensure nothing less. It includes anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, stability control, parking sensors, hill start assist, tire pressure monitor, ISOFIX, and 6 airbags.